We had a very generous donation from one of our business partners, ITW Hartness.
This check was given to them to support some of the needs that they have in partnership with the robot so that they can buy training resources, safety resources, and anything additional that students might need in order to effectively learn.
It is huge for our students. It gives them real-time and real-world experience using an industrial robot. It's all about jobs, and it gives them a new experience, something that they may not have known they were interested in until they had that controller in their hand and they had that opportunity to actually try it themselves.
They're going to get to practice on equipment that they'll actually see in industry. And so, in talking with ITW Hartness, they're looking for qualified candidates all the time. And that is the goal of the Career Center, that we are educating and preparing students for the workforce. So as soon as they leave here, they can go out and get a high-skill, high-paying job. They want to help invest in our students. It's a win-win for both of us.